tonight. Everything on my side is looking alright. It's the high power, original B-boy, traditional raw bass material, Brooklyn individual, true grand imperial. You're hearing on your stereo, transcribed alive the most death. Initial, sit back and listen. You ain't in no position to deal with my conditional, mentally and physical strength is indivisible. Crews becoming pitiful, space-based sounding typical. Downfall, eventual. I'm not feeling you. Don't know what your label telling you or what magic beans they selling you. I can't flow, you can't though. Example of a cat who just a modern day sample. Who be bitching out to A&R demand so you could collect your little petty cash advance. Ho, you knock me and sloppy, but not me. I'm INDEPENDENT.
It was a jam at the center and the party was shaking and the bottles was popping and the breakers was breaking and it won't be known to everybody know that B-boys rock.
You warm to injure, I'm hot to death, I'm foul, plus I'm winning. You think I shot the ref? Rock a vest if you out of tone speaking, cause I'm right there like nightmares. I catch MCs while they sleeping. I'm back, these rap cats is wildin'. Got them in the studio popping values, remastering their album. I'm about to re-up and restructure the case. You stuck, you about to get rearranged and replaced. I got plans for this rap game. Put your head in the toilet and look, son, if you think my shit done changed, my shit is out of your range, rip you out of your frame. Cop your tape and the next day, cop an exchange. If you ain't rockin' raw, what you rockin' for? Without heat, y'all MCs ain't hot no more. So for you lame cats trying to put your hit out, try rockin' back and forth, it might be easy to get your shit out.
It was a jam at the center and the party was shaking and the poppers was popping and the breakers was breaking and it won't be known to everybody know that B-boys rock.
I'm Jedi Master, Mace Windu. What you been through? Keep MC's head wrapped like Erica Badu. Hip hop's Cleon Jones, when Eon Jones whackers MCs, we pee on those. No need to impede the high and mighty Misty. That shit would be as ignorant as Jimmy the Greek, claiming they Godzilla when they really got Zuki. Got a milk from Charlie Brown when I kidnapped Snoopy. Eon, stellar performance in any ordinance, raw menace, and virtual verbal nuisance in accordance with all the laws from the cordless. Starver coming through, leaving any pin poreless. Stereo stomping, defeated me is like Latrell choking up John Thompson. Charles Bronson had a death wish for this next to left shit, leaving all these hot air MCs breathless.
It was a jam at the center and the party was shaking and the poppers was popping and the breakers was breaking and it won't be known to everybody know